more than his. He hates sin. And since he didn't have any, he hates our sin because it hurts us. Do you hate sin that much too? In 2 Corinthians 5:21, it says, oh my gosh, I can't see. God made him who had no sin to be sin for us, so that in him we might become the righteousness of God.
Wow.
You know, when I lived in Argentina, I went there, and when I was there, at that time I spoke better Portuguese than I did Spanish because I had just come from Brazil. Anyways, I got there, and I went there to help the church. Raul and I went there to help the church. And when I started living in the sister's household, there was a sister there who was not doing well, and she let me know it. She did not like that I was there. She didn't like Americans. She said, why do Americans have to come here and lead my church? Why do you have to be here? Why do you have to be here? Just was not happy that I was there. She decided to, at her discretion, humiliate me every chance she got. You know, oh, listen to how she says it. Say it again, let me say it. You know, and I would say it. I knew what she was doing, but I did it anyways. In the end, I kept having a humble heart and spirit towards her because I saw her soul. I saw who she was, and I loved her, even though she was doing all these things, because that's why I was there, was to help her and to serve her. So it's amazing. Our example can save others as well. You have to see the person's soul more than their sin. Our example and our target should be to hate our sin as much as Jesus did and die to it so you can value/love other people's souls like Jesus did for us. In Deuteronomy 7:8, it says, but it was because the Lord loved you and kept the oath he swore to your ancestors that he brought you out with his mighty hand and redeemed you from the land of slavery. That is the love that God has always shown us. Hate the sin, not the sinner. And so how do we do that? I have 4 practicals for you. Number 1, be an expert on learning how others feel loved. Number 2, be willing to get your hands dirty by dealing with prickly people, which you will probably bleed from. Number 3, fast from yourself. And number 4, don't give up on anybody. I love you so much.